Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to explore historical imagery in Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log in through your Google account or of course your email. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left side, we have, as you can see, the file, view, we have the add button, we have tools, and the help option. Also, we have the search bar where you can go and search for a specific location that you want. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and explore historical imagery in Google Earth. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and find and of course go and see these steps that I'll be telling you to know how to do it. First of all, you need to go to, of course, a place and find the image that you would like. So find the location that you would like. So for instance, you can go and click here and click on this location in Texas, or go, of course, and type in, of course, a location, click on it too, so it can bring you to there. Then you just need to go and click a button which is view historical imagery, or above the 3D viewer, you can click on time. So basically that is what you need to force and click, and you will have the historical course of that imagery and that place. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.